So you can see that today, one of the things you need to do is a grammar lesson. And this is something that you're going to do through Khan Academy, and it's due today. I'm going to show you how to access that. So in order to do that, we're going to go to the classwork tab. You can see the instructions here tell you to go to the writing section in the classwork tab. So we'll click on the classwork tab, and we found the writing section. And we see there's an assignment here for Khan Academy. I'm going to view the assignment, and here are my instructions. The objective is to complete a grammar lesson and to post your results. In order to do that, we're going to go to Khan Academy and complete a grammar lesson. So I'm going to click on this link here to open up to Khan Academy. Most of you guys should have an account with Khan Academy. You use this same program for math. So your login information, when prompted, you're going to pick to log in with Google, and then you'll type in your district username and your district password. Once you're in, you'll come to something that looks like this. If you have to personalize your page like it's asking me to, you would pick that you're in 7th grade, continue, and then you have courses that you can pick from. Most of you guys will likely already have 7th grade math picked, but you definitely, this is what you want to pay attention to. You want to make sure that you have a grammar option. So make sure you've selected grammar. And then you can select continue. If it pulls you to this page first, and you see that you do not have grammar options, like I have a grammar option here, you might have to scroll to see if you have a grammar option. If you don't have that option, go to courses, and it's going to show you the same page, and then you can click on edit courses, this blue button that says edit courses. And that's where you can go and you can select grammar. So if this box is not checked, you want to make sure that it is checked. And then you can select continue. Now that we have the grammar set up, you're going to start your grammar lessons. If you've done this in the past, maybe you've already done the noun lesson, you're just going to pick up where you left off, where the next lesson is. In this event, my account wants me to start with the noun lesson. So I would click Start. And it's going to set up the lesson for me. When you do the lesson, you're going to start with where it wants you to start, identifying nouns. Click Let's Go. And you're going to look at the question for the directions. It'll provide you with a question, and then you have to decide if it's a noun or not a noun. Obviously, a noun is a person, place, or thing. If you're feeling stuck, click on the watch a video or use a hint to help you through this. You'll go through all of your questions, and then at the end of it, you're going to be given a score. You can also go to the lesson page if you're feeling extra stuck. There's different videos that you can watch, but ultimately you want to be able to get through your questions, and it will give you a score at the end. Once you are done with your questions and you have your score, you're going to go back to the assignment, and in here you need to respond to this. We're going to use the space to the right over here, and you're going to tell me two things. What lesson did you work on? If this had been me, I would have indicated that I worked on the nouns lesson. Maybe you're working on a different lesson. And then the other thing you're going to tell me is what your final score was. So two things. What lesson did you work on, and what was your final score? You'll tell me that here. And then, like the instructions say down here, you'll click Turn In.